So just checking back in here, a little different type of adventure today. I'm out in the middle of a cornfield in the state of Illinois and watching the harvest take place here. Hopefully I can get a really good shot of this combine coming down and cutting corn. Little background, a lot of these farmers lease these big machines now to get the crop out as quick as possible. And today is one of those days. It's really hot here in mid-September. It's like 97 degrees today, which is unusually warm. Actually, I'm kind of standing here sweating, waiting for this combine to come up, but it's a really cool operation. My favorite time of year in the United States. I grew up around the cornfields and the bean fields and the wheat fields, and worked with farmers when I was a young kid. Well, teenage kid, I should say. Some of my best friends were farmers, so I was always around the equipment, always working, at least the harvest time frame, always helping out the farmers, either driving a tractor or driving a truck. They wouldn't let me drive the combine. That was the farmer's, the owner's job. He says, no, I drive combine. That's my time of year. So I let him win on that. But here comes this big dog. Maybe I can count how many rolls it's going to be. And if you see way down there comes the buggy. And I'm hoping this guy don't get mad at me for standing here, but I'm going to stand on the fence row and just watch him come. So here he comes. You see at the top, the hopper, he's pretty full of corn. He's gonna make the turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I lost how many? And there you have it. And now he's gonna turn. Oh, he's gotta back up. He's gotta back her up. There he goes. Here comes the buggy. I don't know if I'm going to advertise for Case here or not, but it's a lot of grain. A lot of grain. And the dust just came in my eyes. Okay, waiting for the big Case combine to come down the row again. I'm trying to figure out if it's a 8 row or 12 row. I got 12 rows of corn standing right now on this. Well, there's more here, but on this particular run, there's 12 rows left. So he comes through the end here. We're going to see if he's got, I'm assuming he's got a 12 row head on there, because this is just going to be one clean cut. And I see him shooting out the stalks and corn husk down there at the end. So I'm going to guess, based on what I'm seeing, him coming, it's going to be a 12 row. So it's going to be a fun one here, because this is last bit of corn on this run for him. So just kind of wait here, see what's going. His hopper's getting full again, so that means the buggy's going to be coming alongside for him to dump. And I see he's got a lot of corn up in his hopper. Let's step out here and show you what we're dealing with here. Looks like I got one that didn't quite get chopped up. So this is what he's cutting. Good old yellow corn. Makes corn syrup. cornmeal, corn products out of it. It's a really good hit, really good. So that's what we're harvesting. This isn't your sweet corn, this isn't your popcorn, this is what they call field corn. Not being a farmer, not claiming to be a farmer, just from what I know growing up around it. But this all goes into big storage bins. And then out of those bins, they get transferred to different commodity markets. So he is definitely on a 12-rolled picker. So this should be a good shot. You can see the corn coming out. He's filling the buggy right now. He just emptied his hopper. He's done. And it is a 12-roll corn picker. And that is done. That is done.